Hola, estudiantes. It's Mrs. Santiago here, and today we're going to learn about el dinero y los precios. I am in your OneNote, Chapter 8, Shopping, and the page is el dinero y los precios. Going to eliminate the table of contents and make the page big. So today we're going to talk about, I would call it American money, United States money, and learn how to talk about it in Spanish. Let's start right out by taking some notes. So we know this as a penny. So in English, a penny, 1 cent. In Spanish, it's going to be un centavo. Now notice it's not uno, it's un centavo. Okay, remember, uno is when we have, like, give me one. Dame uno. Okay, next we have a nickel. It's worth 5 cents. In Espanol, cinco centavos. Notice we're making centavo plural because we have more than one. Cinco centavos. Then we have a dime, 10 cents. In Espanol, 10 centavos. Next, we have a quarter, 25 cents. Okay. En español, 25 centavos. 25 centavos. Now, when you put these quantities together in multiples, you're going to have to count it up and figure out how many centavos. Let's go to the next one. In English, you have $1 written out as numbers, $1. Okay, in Espanol, un dólar. Un dólar. Okay, $1, un dólar. $5 written out as 5.00. In Espanol, $5. $5. $10 written out as 10.00. In Espanol, $10. Okay. $20 bill, $20, right? $20. Okay, muy bien. So we've got centavos y dólares. It's a nice reference page. Now, what happens when we do precios? Okay, so we've learned. So these coins, we're going to call them centavos, cents. Okay, en español, centavos. Okay, here we have dólares. Okay, so $89.75. What would that be in Spanish? Okay, well, first we have to write out 89 right in the front. Okay, so how do we write 89? Think it through, right? 89, 3 words. Now we have to write the dollar sign is going to go here. Okay, so dólares. Now, when you get to the decimal point, you're going to say either con, which means with, or e, which means and. Either one is fine. You're going to see both. You're going to hear both. 75, right here. Setenta y 5 centavos. Okay, muy bien. So, not just dólares, but in Mexico, money is called pesos. And sometimes that carries over into other people's Spanish. Dame 5 pesos, give me $5 is more like what you're saying, 5 pesos. In Europe, you're going to have the euros. Okay, euros and pesos. You're not going to hear people in Latin America use euros like for the place of the word for dollars, but you will hear In Puerto Rico, you would hear somebody say, ay, préstame 20 pesos, like lend me 20 bucks. So I think of it, pesos as more like bucks. Okay, let's go down. We've got práctica con el dinero. ¿Cuánto dinero en total? Escribe el total en números y palabras. Okay, so we're going to practice with number one. So this is going to be our practice. So first we need to figure out what the total is. So we have to count them up. We've got 20, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to have, and I'm just going to write it on top in numbers. Okay, $36 so far. And we've got, I'm just going to check them as I go, right? 25, 50. These are 5 cents, right? So 55, 60, 65, 70. And up to here, I'm at 75. Y uno, dos, tres, cuatro. En total aquí, 79. So 79. Okay, now we need to write it out in words. Okay, just like from up here, we're going to follow this model. Okay, so we're going to write 36 dólares con 79 centavos. Okay, that is your example. That leaves you three money totals to practice with as part of your classwork for today. Again, use the information that you have above that acts as a model and then a reference. Okay, muy bien.